we are going to see in this video, show whether the automata M1 and M2, these are the two automata, whether these two automatas are equivalent or not. So how we can show this, whether these two automata are equivalent or not? We will combine these two automata, and if we are getting final automata and which is giving same strings or same language, that will be the answer. Means these two automatas are equivalent. Okay. Now, if you observe in this diagram, there are in first diagram there are only 3 states, but in second diagram there are 4 states and transition on CD. So sigma is CD and same sigma is CD. 4 states are here and here 3 states. Okay. So here initial state is final state. Same for this one. Initial state is a final state. Now we are going to combine, or we are going to form only one diagram with the help of these two automata. Now we'll start with initial state. Initial state is Q0 for this diagram and Q4 for this diagram. So just we are writing transitions from this first. Okay. So here we are going to take Q1 from this diagram M1 and from Q4. Okay. So from Q1 and Q4 we are going to show which transition? C transition. Okay. So C transition, where we are reaching from C transition, I am getting Q1. Okay. From this one, Q1 on C, Q1, and Q4 on C, it's a Q4 on C, Q4. Okay. So this state we got. So same state. So we will show like this. So Q1, Q4 we will merge it. Q1, Q4 we will merge it. So on C transition like this we can show it. Okay. Now from Q1, Q4 on D transition. Okay. D transition. So it is Q2 and from here D transition it's Q6. Okay. Q6. So where we are getting Q2, Q6 as a new state. So here we will show Q2 comma Q6. This will be our new state on which transition? D transition. Okay. Now for Q2, Q6 we have to show transitions. For Q2 and Q6, which transition we have to show? So C transition. Okay. So Q2, Q6. Q2 from Q2, from this one, Q2 C transition is Q3, and from Q6 C transition is Q7. So new state is generated. Okay. Again we'll show Q2, Q6 on D transition. Okay. Q2, Q6. D transition is Q1 and from this D transition is Q4, which is already present. Okay. So from Q2, Q6 C transition is Q3, Q7. So we'll write in this way. And from D state which is already there. So D state. Okay. Now for Q3, Q7. So we got new state, that is a Q3, Q7 on C transition. Q3, Q7. Okay. Q3 C transition is Q2 and Q7 C transition is Q5. Okay. So we got new state. Again we will form Q3, Q7 on D, Q3 on D, Q3 itself, and Q7 D, Q7 itself. Okay. So this state for D it is itself. So D transition, and from this one Q2, Q5 we got new state, that is a Q2, Q5. Q2, Q5. This new state on C transition. Okay. Now we have to find out the C transition and D transition from Q2 and Q5. Okay. C transition. So from Q2 C transition is Q3 and from Q5 C transition is Q7. So which is already present, and from Q2, Q5 D transition. Okay. So D transition from this one is Q2, D transition is Q1, and from Q5 D transition is Q4, which is already present. So C transition is Q3, Q7. Okay, C transition Q3, Q7, and D transition is Q1, Q4. Q1, Q4. Okay, so no new state is generated. So this is our final automata, which is combined from M1 and M2. Now here Q1 and Q4, these are the two final states, so which are here. So we will make this as a final state. Okay, this as a final state, and remaining are non-final, which are already non-final. So in this way we will get the final answer, and after that you can rename it A, B, C, D like this. So M1 and M2 are equivalent. This is the answer of our question. Thank you. If you like this video, click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell button to get notification of new videos. Thank you.